Hello, welcome to my speech. My name is Eric Mora, and my topic is Should Teachers Be Armed? Nowadays, many question if teachers should be allowed to carry guns in a classroom. Many have this idea because of the high percentage of school shooting over the years. Many believe that it's a good thing because teachers can handle and stop a school shooting situation faster than law enforcement are arriving to the scene, thus allowing teachers to protect students more securely. But others believe it's a negative idea that can lead to many dangerous problems. For example, school staff carrying concealed weapons pose too much of a risk. According to Walker and Long in the article, arming teacher is not the answer. States, most law enforcement experts agree that school staff should not carry guns because they lack the tactical knowledge of handling weapons that trained law enforcement personnel receive on a regular basis. During conflict, a teacher may be too stressed out, which may lead to the teacher to panic. Even with training the teacher, it may still not be capable of disarming the situation. Even some of the most highly trained law enforcement officers in the country see their ability to shoot accurately decrease significantly when engaged in gunfights with perpetrators. Now imagine how a teacher will react when engaged in this situation. This also causes the teacher to be main target. Why relationships with students make it more difficult for teachers to use a weapon? According to Bornelon in the article, a solution or dangerous. The debate behind arming teacher explains how a teacher by the name of A.B. Winter states, teachers spend their days developing relationship with their students, and she could never look at any child and make a decision about life or death. This may cause teachers to not handle a situation properly, leaving students to be at risk. Schools should be about teaching and not shooting. Teachers become teachers in order to teach and bring knowledge. They shouldn't worry about having to learn how to shoot and kill children. Why having a weapon in the classroom can be dangerous. According to Farrar in the article, Should Teachers Be Allowed to Carry Guns at School? States, what happens if a student gets a hold of a teacher's gun? Or if they accidentally shoot an innocent bystander? Guns may fall in the hands of students if they manage to break into the area where a teacher stores their gun. About 4% of students ages 12 to 18 reported having access to a loaded gun without adult permission. Sometimes students want to be curious or joke around, causing them to try to access a classroom weapon. This puts everyone in danger. For my closing remarks, there is too much at risk when having a weapon in a classroom setting. Even with the intense training, teachers are capable to perform poorly using a weapon. Students should not grow up viewing guns in school, leaving a sense of normalcy. Funds for more school police should be an option as well. Kids should not be worried about being in danger when going to school. It's sad that these situations occur. There may be many ways to counter school shootings, but having a gun in a classroom setting should not be an option. These are my citations. Thank you for listening.